Alright guys, I'm gonna take a quick little shot because I've had a long day. I'm not an alcoholic. Now let's get into the vlog. Yeah. Alright people, welcome back to the channel. So, I want to talk about these new Yeezy, they're re-released, these Yeezy 350 V2 Triple Black. I was actually in the market for some new gym sneakers, and I totally ripped like a crazy hole in my Nike Footscapes. Been using them for about a year. Kind of trash. Those things fell apart really bad. Granted, I run on a treadmill with them, and I probably shouldn't, and they're really not good for running because there's no ankle support. So I'm kind of lucky that I didn't, you know, land the wrong way on my heel and mess something up. But anyways, so I was in the market for some sneakers for the gym, and everybody kept recommending Yeezys or Ultra Boost, and I've had a pair of Ultra Boost in the past, and I kind of wanted something new, and I was looking at Solomon's, but I was also like, not that I don't dislike Yeezys, but I was kind of like, I don't know, skeptical to them. But anyways, long story short, people kept saying, get the Yeezys, get the Yeezys. They're good for the gym, they're super comfortable, they're good for performance and, you know, just running on a treadmill and all that stuff. So I was like, all right, let me get a pair. And a good friend of mine recommended this app because I'm always at work and I don't really have time to go to the store and like look at these sneakers. So he was saying that I could get the new Yeezys early, and then if I sign up and put my email into this app called the Trill app, I actually get free shipping, and they guarantee that the shipping is same day and you get it within 3 hours. So I decided to do it because I wanted to get the new Yeezy V2 350 in triple black, and they had them before Black Friday because today is Wednesday. Well, actually it's Thursday because it's 12 at night. But anyways, so I put the order in earlier today around, I put it in 1 p.m. and I ended up getting the sneakers around 3 o'clock or 2:45, 3 o'clock. So the app works, free shipping. I highly recommend it, and I got the sneakers early actually, and I got them for a crazy price, way lower than what StockX has them. So before I get into the actual review and on foot of the Yeezy V2 350, just want to say shout out to Trill, because I was a little bit skeptical at first, but it works, and I got the sneakers early and I got them the same day. So shout out to you guys. So let's get into an on foot review, and I'm gonna just go a little bit in depth with the sneaker real quick. So check it out. Guys, so before I actually get into the on foot review of the new re-released Yeezy V2 350 in triple black, I'm gonna just say what it actually comes with. So you obviously get the box. It says right here. Hold up. It's hard doing this with the camera in one hand. All right, so I took it in a 12.5 because everybody was saying that they run small. I've never had any pair of Yeezy. I haven't had a pair of Yeezy since the last Kanye Nike, so the Red Octobers. So this would actually be my first Adidas Yeezy, so I didn't know how they run. But everybody told me they run kind of small and to go a size to a half size. So I'm typically an 11.5 to a 12 depending on sneaker or boot. So I decided to go with a 12.5, and it's definitely true. They run pretty small, but these do definitely fit, and they fit pretty comfortable. So when the delivery man comes, he comes with the shoebox, and this comes inside obviously with the sneakers. This is the app that I ordered from. This kind of says basically the info. Like I said before, when you guys order it, your first order you get free shipping, and they guarantee it within 3 hours. I got mine in roughly 2 to 2.5 hours to my house. So definitely recommend that app. And I got them early because these are supposed to release on Black Friday. So yeah, pretty sick that I got them early and pretty sick that I got them the same day and I was able to go to the gym in them. So just to tell you guys how comfortable this sneaker is, everybody on this earth probably has a pair of Yeezys. I'm probably like super late to the club, but I just needed a pair of gym sneakers. And honestly, the Yeezy is one of the most comfortable sneakers that I've put on. I'm used to, like, I've had Ultra Boost in the past, like I said, but this is just such a comfortable sneaker. What I did notice, I know that people said that the first release of this, I think it came in this that only has the 3M lace, and then it also came in a pair that has the full 3M throughout the full prime knit. But the sneaker is just pretty sick, very comfortable. It's not, like, I think on camera it's picking up as very dark, but in person it's more of a grayish black, like a charcoal. This kind of reminds me of what the first Yeezy 350 or whatever the knit version of this, the first version, looked like. Very similar, even though like a couple of my friends had the pairs, so I remember what it looked like. What I do like is that it doesn't say 350 along the stripe-like detail that goes across the prime knit. But yeah, guys, this overall very comfortable sneaker, and I highly recommend the sneaker for gym performance. Like, I ran on the treadmill in them, super comfortable. I wasn't scared that my ankle was gonna snap or anything while I was running on the treadmill in them. And yeah, definitely recommend it. I don't think these will be falling apart like my Nikes will. Nikes did. And shout out to Trill. I'll definitely be shopping with you guys again if I ever need another pair of gym sneakers. Or they also have like all the streetwear, like Rude and pretty much all those brands, Fear God, blah blah blah. They have all that stuff, so check these guys out. I think it's Trill New York on Instagram. There it is. Yeah, so take advantage of that free same day shipping within 3 hours. It's insane. I'm gonna do a quick on foot review to show you how I'm casually wearing them now before I hit the sack, because I'm super tired after my long day. So let's get into an on foot review real quick.